फ्रेंड्स ट्रैवल फॉर्मेशन में आप सबका स्वागत है। भालो तो सो गाइस, ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक we all are stuck in a house. No, we can't travel anywhere, almost like a 2 years, and so do travel formation as well. But finally we get one breakthrough, and that too not national but the international. So finally, we are at the Bangalore airport and we're going to start our journey to Malé. The upcoming little vlogger is also super excited. Let's hear from him.
Hi guys, so we're in the Bangalore airport and now we're gonna go Maldives. So are you ready for going? So get ready and tell me.
We got the opportunity to on 15th of July. That's where the first flight was going. And guess what? It's beautiful location, Maldives. From Bangalore to Malé. That's the capital of Maldives. However, we have not forgotten that this pandemic time is still there. So we have been very cautious in terms of considering all the factors during the traveling. And we were so excited, we were so thrilled because after 2 years, we just packing our bag, seeing the airport. Like, you know, those baby who get the chocolate and they were so excited. Wow, that was our feeling, like a baby. Fine, then let's start the requirement for the Maldives. So first and foremost, you require a RT-PCR report, which is 72 hours prior the arrival date. As well as you need IMUGA, which is the Maldives health declaration website. So it's IMUGA. You can log in there and you can do your health declaration. As well as a flight ticket, of course, and you don't have to worry about the visa part because as in when you arrive, Indian get visa on arrival and it's a free of cost. And make sure that you book the hotel which is not in the Malé city because during this pandemic time they are not allowing anyone to stay, any tourist to stay in that part. You have to book your hotel in the one of the island. As well as when you come back to your country, respective country, India or wherever, you need to do your 72 hours prior the RT-PCR report. I think the hotel will help you with that, and you need to do your health declaration in Air Suvidha website. So one more point I want to bring it to your notice that whenever you make any booking in one of the island in Maldives, make sure you book your seaplane or the speedboat with the help of hotel so that there won't be any hassle during traveling from airport to your hotel. So be mindful with the cost because it will be based on where your location of the hotel. The price will vary from hotel to hotel. So basically if your hotel is far and if you're going by seaplane, it would be cost you roughly around $500 US, and for kids would be roughly around 300. This I'm giving you generic price. It may be more, it may be less. It's based on your hotel. But this is what we see. Then average is coming this amount. We reach around 3 o'clock in the Malé. And it was very hassle free and very quick immigration. It took hardly like 15 to 20 minutes for us to do the immigration process. So after finishing all our immigration formalities, we straightaway went to the airport counter, the respective hotel counters where we met our airport representative. And then with help of him, we went to seaplane check-in counter. And as usual, we did our check-in of our baggages and all, and we got our seaplane boarding pass. So from the airport, after doing all this formality, having our boarding pass with us, we have just get into the hotel bus and they take us to the Angsana Hotel Lounge, which is located at the seaplane terminal area. So from here, my vlogger will take you to the hotel lounge.
So guys, we're in the hotel lounge. I'm gonna show you how it looks like.
We are now at the seaplane lounge of Angsana Velavaru. This is the view from the lounge. So we should be boarding one of those in about 30 minutes. One of the flight, the seaplane. Well, let's say it's one of the bucket list ticked. Let's see how it goes.
So now wait is over. We are going from our lounge to the seaplane. And this journey, the walk from waiting area to the seaplane, it was so exciting because I've never been to seaplane ever before. Plus, it's after pandemic. So it's like, dual happiness, I would say.
So now we're in the seaplane. It will take 40 minutes to go our hotel. It's a bit too noisy.
And guys, I just want to show you something from inside as well, that this is not so big flight. It's like around 15 seaters, and you can see literally your pilot, your cockpit, this I think route map, and all the different gears, like changing, which is taking off and landing and everything. So it was very thrilling experience. I was very overwhelmed that my baggage is just right there, the pilot is just there. Small seaplane going from water to the sky. By the way, seaplane goes up to, let's say, around 4,000 feet height. It flies in that range. But I don't think so. Our seaplane is going that height because I can see clearly this small islands and some hotels as well on our way. I'm enjoying this. I leave you guys also enjoy the same aerial view from the seaplane. So after landing in middle of the ocean, I don't know what it's called, but I think it's like a small jetty where our speedboat is waiting. Will take us to our hotel, Angsana Velavaru. We all were so excited because it was a very exhausting day. Like we have been waited at the Bangalore airport, from there the lounge and at the seaplane. But after reaching, seeing this beautiful surrounding, we all have forgotten that we are tired. Look at this beautiful sunset. It giving such a peaceful feeling and relax, that this how is going to be my next 5 days journey in Maldives. And then finally we reached the hotel. We have been welcomed by the front office staff, and we have chosen the room which is like called a water villa, a deluxe water villa. So this will be like in the middle of the ocean. They just provide they like individual, there's a house, you can see this. So they have done the in-room check-in for us. So straight away we just went to the room and we did our check-in formalities. So it was very comfortable check-in. And then he briefed us about the hotels and rules and regulations and our package and everything. So it was quite fantastic and a very quick check-in. So guys, I'll show you our room. Just have a look. So I have taken a small video for you to do a little orientation about our room.